Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new sheet to the Expenses application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Go to your home page and then click on the new sheet button down below, indicated with a plus icon in the right side corner. Then you should add the title to this new sheet, then select the currency. After that, you should set these advanced settings, whether you would like to show the total balance or show the currency selection. So tap on the relevant button, and after selecting all these options, click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. So here can you find your new sheet and the sheets section. If you tap on the three dots icon, you can check out the stats, trends, currency rate. You can print it out or edit the sheet as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.